In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Jira and Asana 5 minutes. We're going to connect an Asana project to Jira Cloud using Asana's built-in integration so your tasks and issues can stay aligned without manual copy-paste. You'll need access to the Asana project and permission to authorize apps, plus a Jira Cloud account you can log into. Start by logging into Asana in your browser. This integration is set up at the project level, so once you're in, open the specific project you want to connect. Keep in mind the connection applies to this project only, which is great for keeping control over which work is synced. With the project open, look to the top right and click Customize. This opens a panel that lets you tailor fields, rules, and connections for the project. In that panel, switch to the Apps section. This is where Asana lists integrations you can add to enhance your project. Find Jira Cloud in the list and click Add. If you also see options for other Jira types, make sure you choose Jira Cloud to match your organization's setup. Next, click Add to Project. This enables the connector for your current project and begins the authorization flow. Now click Connect to Jira Cloud. You'll see a permissions screen. This is normal. Asana needs access so it can create or link issues, read statuses, and bring relevant information back into your tasks. Click Allow to proceed. If you have more than one Jira site, you may be prompted to pick the correct one. Choose the site where your team's issues live. Follow the prompt to log into your Jira account. If your company uses single sign-on, you'll go through that flow here. Once you're authenticated and the permissions are granted, you'll be returned to Asana with the integration connected. From here, your project is ready to work with Jira. Depending on your configuration, you'll be able to create Jira issues from Asana tasks, link existing issues, and surface key details like status and assignee. If you don't see the Apps tab or can't add Jira, you might not have the required permissions. An admin can enable the integration for you. If the authorization window doesn't open, check your browser's pop-up settings. And if Jira Cloud doesn't appear as an option, confirm your organization is on Jira Cloud rather than server or data center. That's it. You've connected Asana and Jira for this project, setting up a smooth path for work to flow between tools and teams. And